The end of the road at Ingwe goes this way. For those that have been too lazy to walk it, let me show you what it looks like. It's a free activity. Now by the time I stopped, the little red duiker already disappeared in there. Such a surreal place to be in the morning. This is, for the lack of a better word, soul candy, sensory candy. Now this is where we come out. This used to be the parking at the estuary mouth before they changed it forever with the 2018 109 dump trucks throwing a dam wall in front of us. That was the estuary mouth, that is to the right. That was back to Ingwe Beach. Oh, but the dunes are walking all over the show. One of the more pristine free activities here in St. Lucia is to sit here on top of the dune at the amphitheatre, just left to Ingwe Beach, and see if you can spot whales, just overlook the ocean, see if you can see dolphins, watching the birds fly by, listening to the birds behind in the bush, checking the ocean colors and watching the fishermen in general. Another free activity here in St. Lucia.